Dear viewers, welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. If you are using a SketchUp software, then you may facing a problem like when we are trying to select, then it's taking 10 to 20 seconds time to select that site. Suppose if I click here, just see here, right? I have just selected here, and here it's the site is selected, and now see that after more than 5 seconds it's selected. Now if I click here in that site, now wait, and just see, now it's selected. So actually this is a good bad thing that if I click here to select, so when we'll work for a project, then maybe this is not good, right? So if I click here again, so how we'll just solve that? So I'm just going to show that how we'll solve that problem, and before that I'm requesting you, if you're new to our channel, then please subscribe us and also support us. So first of all, I'll just close that software, right? No, I'll not save. So I have just closed that software. Now what I'll do, actually I'll go to that software directory file. Actually I have saved that file here, that's why I'll just go to directory, then here, then maybe the Google is here is the SketchUp, after that 2017. So when we are here, I'll just go down. So here is the SketchUp, right? SketchUp application. So I'll just select that and I'll right click. After right click, I'll just click here troubleshoot capability. So I'll just click here troubleshoot capability. So here is try they have two options. The one is try recommended setting. So I'll just click here recommended setting, and it's telling us the setting applied it to SketchUp Windows capability mode Windows 8, but I'm using Windows 10. But our traveling shooter are telling us that Windows 10 is good, or good for that SketchUp. So when it is done, right, Windows 8, then I'll again click test the program. By clicking here, I'll just test the program, is it okay or not. So here our program, right, and first of all I'll just take a square like previous, then I'll just zoom it, and now see, I'll just click here to select. Now if I try to select, now see, it's also taking time to select. That means it's not okay, right? It's not okay, it's taking in this time it's taking little time, but this time it's not properly okay. So I'll just close that now, and after that I'll just go cancel for it. Now I'll right click, then actually for your PC this can be okay, but for my PC this is also not okay. Then I'll go properties, then I'll just go here capability, and from here run this program in capability mode for Windows 7. Okay, so I'm just using for Windows 7, I'm just going to try for, when the software will open, then this software will run as this software will run for in the capability mode of Windows 7. Then click apply, then okay. After refresh and just simply click SketchUp and open that software. After opening that software, let's now check is it okay or not. Okay, so again I'm just drawing a rectangular shape here, and I'm just doing that. No, see, it's working now perfectly, and actually in this way you are able to do that thing. And they have only another, they have another setting. So just go to Windows and go to performance, and from here click here OpenGL. Okay, in that option OpenGL, after coming here OpenGL, you will get here a option hardware acceleration. Just remove that option. Okay, just simply remove that option, and I hope your problem will solve. So thank you, and if you think that your problem have solved, please let us know in comments box. I will just and if you also have if you have also any problem, then also comment us. I'll just try to resolve that. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.